Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell about a story. Name is A Retrieved Reformation. Students, A Retrieved Reformation is a short story written by Oliver Henry. In this story, Henry includes some big emotions. The story begins with the protagonist Jimmy Valentine, released from prison. Though he was initially sentenced to 4 years, he only served 10 months, thanks to his connection to other criminals in high places. Jimmy was arrested and imprisoned for his involvement as a safecracker in a robber. Upon release, he returns home to retrieve his safecracking tools and then leaves town. Students, the detective who arrested Jimmy, name is Ben Price, begins to suspect Jimmy is back to his old ways after a string of cash robberies take place matching Jimmy's style. Jimmy has traveled to Elmore, Arkansas, where he intends to rob the local bank. Instead, he falls in love with Annabelle Adams, who happens to be the banker's daughter. Jimmy initially decides that his bank robbing days are behind him and that he will walk the straight and narrow from now on. He decides to become a shoemaker by taking a new name, Ralph D. Spencer. After less than a year, Jimmy means Spencer is doing well for himself. Business is going well and his social life is on the upswing too. He is now engaged to marry Annabelle in 2 weeks. He decides to write a letter to a friend asking him to collect his old safe-cracking tools. Happy with his lot, Jimmy means Spencer determines he won't need them anymore. While Spencer has been building his business and planning to wed Annabelle, Price has followed him to the bank owned by the Annabelle's family. One day he sees Jimmy carrying his tools. Price waits outside and watches. Annabelle's father shows off the bank's new safe. Annabelle's nieces play in and around the safe until one girl traps the other inside by accident. As the safe is brand new, it has not yet been worn. It has no combination, distraught over how they will rescue Annabelle's trapped niece. Annabelle asks Jimmy to help. He knows that he can help, but that in so doing, he risks losing his new life and wrecking his upcoming marriage to Annabelle. Ultimately, he decides to use his skill and tools to save the girl. Spencer is successful. The girl is freed from the safe. Ben Price saw it all, ready to turn himself. In Spencer approaches Price, who pretends not to know who he is. Price walks away and leaves Spencer to marry Annabelle and enjoy his new life. Students, Henry explained the title of the story begins to make sense. Jimmy is reformed by Annabelle and finally uses his skill to help someone instead of commit a crime. After last situation of the story said that true things are always be strong tools for us. Your summary is over. Thank you everyone.